Welcome to the Magic Word Box. Open the box and discover new words with me.
It's a rocket! Whoosh! Up to the sky!
It's a crown. A shiny crown for a king or queen. It's an octopus. So many arms.
It's a robot! Beep, beep, boop. Beep, boop.
It's a helicopter. Spin, spin, spin. It's a kite, flying high in the sky. It's a parrot, a talking bird. It's a pumpkin, big and round. It's an airplane, flying high above the clouds. It's a bridge, cars can go across. It's a dragon, but a friendly one.
It's a treasure chest full of gold.
It's a globe, a ball of the world.
It's a spaceship. Zoom, zoom through space.
It's a lighthouse. It shines to guide the ships.
It's a volcano. Boom! Lava flows out.
It's a whale, the biggest animal in the sea.
It's a meteor, zooming through the sky.
Wow! We discovered so many amazing words today. Keep saying them again and again.